This video is sponsored by GSP North America. Over 35 years of manufacturing CV axles, loaded strut assemblies, hub assemblies, and much more. Visit gspnorthamerica.com for more information.
Here's a moral dilemma for you. Customer comes into your shop and they have a broken spring or an issue with one of the struts on their vehicle. Let's say it's the left front. A, do you just replace that with a loaded strut unit? B, do you replace both of the struts in the front? Or C, you replace all four? There's a couple different ways you can answer this question. If you said A, yes, the customer, they're going to be back on the road with their vehicle, but you're creating an unstable vehicle because one corner has a different spring than the other corners on the vehicle, and they're not engineered together. If you said B, this is the right approach and you're halfway there. When you do replace just the two front struts, well, you need to make sure that the right height in the back is equal to the factory specifications. If not, you're going to have a vehicle that may ride a little bit higher in the front. If you said C, well, this is a good approach because you're restoring the vehicle to the factory specifications, and it's going to be a very stable vehicle because all the spring rates and the engineering will match for that platform. This way, when the customer drives away, they're essentially driving away with a new suspension. So the next time you're inspecting a vehicle and you find a worn out spring, a broken spring, or let's say the strut is bent or leaking, a loaded strut may be a great option for that customer. But keep in mind, don't just replace one. Make sure you're restoring that vehicle to like new factory conditions. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.